Morning guys, so it's Friday, we're off to camperjam. So last night we came up and we stayed just outside Bromsgrove, in the lay-by that we stayed when we went to Himley Hall. So yeah, we came up the M5 last night. Traffic was quite bad, so we got here, I don't know, about 6 o'clock-ish. Set up camp for the night, had a bit of food, watched a bit of telly, and just chilled in the van. So we've got this morning, we're off to our burger van friend just down the bottom by here. We've taken our own cup for a cup of coffee, and we're going to make our way up to camperjam shortly. So stick with us and we'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, we've just had breakfast and now we're just gonna jump in the car or the van and make our move to the show. So see you soon. So guys, we've just arrived at camperjam and we're up in the top family field. There's plenty of room at the moment. So guys, that's us all set up, flags up, awnings up, everything's done. So now we're off down to the main arena. Plenty of toilets guys, everyone whinged about it on their feedback, but there's plenty there now. So guys, massive tent just over by there for tonight's entertainment, and then looks like these are the start of the stalls and everybody's queuing to come in. So guys, this is the start to the mile of stalls. Nice, Riley. So guys, frozen Copperberg cider. It's a must when the weather's this hot. So guys, outside the Fantastic store, had my shopping fix. Got my t-shirts and my hoodie ready for winter, all sorted. So guys, according to the big sign just by there, camperjam is hotter than Ibiza. It is scorching, absolutely boiling, but fab. So guys, it's 3:45 in the afternoon and campsite is filling up drastically. But it is absolutely boiling. Gotta be over 30, do you reckon, Cal? Yeah, 30 something degrees, blue skies. Fab show, really good. Had some ciders, I'm gonna look around, all good. Catch you in a bit. Hi guys, so it's 6 o'clock at night. We're just on our way back into the main arena, and it's just as hot now as it was at dinner time. It is boiling. According to the carbon monoxide alarm thing, it's 35 degrees, so yeah, it's pretty warm. So, right, let's get into the main arena. So guys, walking down through the family camping, and then down the bottom of this field down there is the show. It's a bit of a trek up the hill, but it's alright going down. Don't think YouTube can do me on the copyright, but outdoor music, drums out of water containers and gas cylinders and bits. So guys, 4x4 Sprinter, Prestige campers. So it's your lounge, and then U-shaped lounge at the back with a pot roof. Like that. Very nice. So guys, we're down in the main arena, come for our supper, and it is round. Music's going, food stalls are all open. It's pretty good. Morning guys, so we survived the night. Actually it was really quiet. We're up in family camping this weekend, so it was really nice and quiet. So Riley's just watching his morning telly. We're having some breakfast and going to have a shower, and then we're going to make our way down to the show, so we shall see you in a bit. So this is our shower setup guys. Pop-up tent, bucket that we fill up with water, and one of our electric 12-volt showers that we charge before we come. So, all pretty good, nice and tidy, nice to have a shower. Miley. Walking you mate?
Yeah. But then I had my hip operation. That helped a lot with my breakdancing especially. So we're going to do a little bit of a hip hop song for everybody called Wingy Wingy Wap. We'll need some participation from you guys. Here we go. about participation. So what we need you guys to do is after I say yo, we need you to throw your hands in the air and say yo as well. Can you do that? I'll count you in. Wiggy wiggy whack, wiggy 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 whack. 1, 2, 3, yo! Wiggy wiggy whack. Very good, everyone though. 1, 2, 3, yo! Wiggy wiggy, even louder. 1, 2, 3, yo! Wiggy wiggy whack, wiggy 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 whack. 1, 2, 3, yo! I was practicing my breakdancing the other day. Well, I was doing a few head spins. It was just the way. I spun around and around on the floor. Then I got really dizzy and I walked in.
Guys, weather's changed. Started to rain, so beering out, having a look around best we can. Sorry if the camera gets spots on it. Catch you in a bit. So guys, sorry about the spots on the lens. It is raining. Tom Dibbs singing through there, and they had a show and shine. The only thing shining today is the vans. Some nice ones. There's Tom Dibbs singing in there.
Thank you so much for coming over and joining us. I'm going to do one more, and then yeah, please do keep shelter.
so this is our last morning now, just having a walk back down around the show, have a look around the show and shine, just before we make our way back home. Bit of cracking weekend. Weather wasn't great yesterday, but in the evening it brightened up a lot better. Loads of pictures to follow. I'll put them all at the end for you. See you in a bit. So guys, that's the end of camperjam. It was quite a good journey home. We didn't go down the M6, we went down through the middle of Wales and ended up coming out in Hereford, so it was quite an easy drive home. So overall, great weekend, loved it, really great. Weather was a little bit down on Saturday, but it was nice in the evening and we sat outside for a couple of hours and really enjoyed the music and things. I think we'll definitely be doing that show again. Really enjoyed it. Well done camperjam, I think you've done yourself proud today. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, if you'd like it and subscribe. We're doing many more VW shows and camping weekends away in bits and pieces, so yeah, please click the bell for notifications and we'll see you soon.